Welcome to www.coloringbooks-universalsource. Where intricate images are designed to help relieve stress. Welcome to www.coloringbooks-universalsource.com. Your one-stop destination for all things coloring. Picture this, a cozy living room filled with laughter and the gentle scratching of crayons on paper. Two children, eyes wide with excitement, sit cross-legged on the floor, their small hands clutching colorful markers. Beside them, two adults lean in, their faces lit up with childlike wonder as they join in the fun at coloringbooks-universalsource.com. We believe that coloring isn't just for kids, it's a joyful activity that brings families together. Our website offers an extensive collection of coloring books and pages for all ages and skill levels. From simple designs for little ones just starting out to intricate patterns that challenge even the most experienced colorists, we've got something for everyone. Imagine the pride on your child's face as they show you their latest masterpiece. A unicorn with a rainbow mane or a fierce dragon breathing fire. Now, picture yourself sitting down beside them, picking up a colored pencil and adding your own artistic touch to the page. It's moments like these that create lasting memories and strengthen family bonds. Our coloring books aren't just about filling in spaces with pretty colors. They're about unleashing creativity, reducing stress, and spending quality time with loved ones. Whether you're a parent looking to bond with your kids, a grandparent seeking a fun activity to do with your grandchildren, or an adult who simply loves to color, our website has everything you need. At coloringbooks-universalsource.com, we understand that every family is unique. That's why we offer a wide range of themes to suit all interests. From beloved cartoon characters to nature scenes, from mandalas to animals, our collection is as diverse as the families who enjoy them, and with new designs added regularly, there's always something fresh to explore. Coloring together isn't just fun, it's also educational. As children learn to stay within the lines, they develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. They learn about colors, shapes, and patterns, and when adults join in, it becomes an opportunity for conversation, storytelling, and sharing knowledge. So, why not make coloring a new family tradition? Visit www.coloringbooks-universalsource.com today and discover the joy of coloring together. Whether you're gathered around the kitchen table, on a rainy afternoon, or winding down before bedtime, our coloring books provide the perfect backdrop for family bonding. Remember, at coloringbooks-universalsource.com, we're not just selling coloring books. We're offering a gateway to creativity, relaxation, and precious moments spent together. So, grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, gather your loved ones, and let the coloring adventure begin.